Did you know that the 1969 Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a rolling symbol of freedom, power, and the American spirit? Over the decades, this timeless beauty has grown from an automobile into a cultural icon, embodying the thrill of the open road. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating journey of bringing one of these legendary machines back to life. Welcome back, fellow car enthusiasts. Buckle up because today, we're taking you on an unforgettable ride as we restore a classic 1969 Ford Mustang to its former glory. There's something truly special about vintage cars, especially this Mustang, with its fierce design and roaring engine, a true representation of an era marked by raw power and bold style. So, let's rev up our engines and dive into this restoration adventure together. Now, let's get real for a second. The Mustang we found was far from showroom condition. Imagine this: rust covering almost every inch, damaged body parts, and a host of mechanical issues that would make any car lover's heart sink. The body? It was more like Swiss cheese than steel, riddled with rust holes that left us questioning where to even begin. And the engine? It wouldn't even sputter, let alone roar. The interior looked like it hadn't seen a good day in decades: cracked seats, missing panels, and an overall mess. We knew we had our work cut out for us, but that's part of the thrill, right? Each rusty bolt, every faded panel, carried a story waiting to be reborn, and we were all in for the challenge. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the restoration process. First things first, finding the right parts. This was no small task. We spent hours scouring junkyards, scrolling through online marketplaces, and contacting suppliers to find the perfect components to bring this Mustang back to life. It felt like a treasure hunt, where each discovery brought us closer to our goal. With the parts finally in hand, we got to work on the body. We stripped off the old, worn-out paint, sanded down the rust, and prepped the surface for a fresh, glossy coat. Watching that new paint go on? It was like seeing magic unfold. The Mustang was beginning to transform before our eyes, but we didn't stop there. We made sure to enhance performance while preserving its classic charm. We swapped out the brakes for something more modern, upgraded the suspension for a smoother ride, and under the hood, we installed a powerful yet efficient engine, giving this Mustang a heart that could truly roar once again. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the grand reveal. After countless hours of hard work, sweat, and dedication, the Mustang was finally complete. Seeing it shine under the light, with that fresh coat of paint gleaming and the interior restored to its vintage elegance, was an emotional moment for all of us. But the real magic happened when we fired up the engine. The deep growl of the new engine filled the air, a sound that sent chills down our spines. It was hard to believe this was the same rusted-out shell we started with just weeks ago. This Mustang was back, ready to conquer the road once again, and we couldn't wait to take it for its first spin. So, there you have it, our thrilling journey of restoring a 1969 Ford Mustang from a rusted relic into a breathtaking classic. Every challenge we faced, from battling the rust to overhauling the mechanical systems, was worth it when we saw the finished result. This restoration didn't just breathe new life into a car, it reignited our love for the craft of vintage restoration. Bringing such an iconic vehicle back to life is an experience that's hard to top. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite Mustang memory, or have you ever taken on a restoration project of your own? Drop your stories in the comments below, we'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this restoration journey, don't forget to check out our other car restoration videos. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of car lovers. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and those wheels turning.